Please do it. No. Question number 1. Please do it and let me know what are you getting. Are you done with the first one? Yes. Are you done with the first one?
Second one.
Okay, XYZ value you have found. Please do the first one also. Aisha. We will be discussing both of them together. Are you done? What is the answer for the first one? Yes, Zunat.
That's for the first
Ma'am,
question.
I don't understand the first question.
Okay. Yes, Zunat, you were saying something.
I don't think I got the correct answer, but I got
Okay, second one you have done. Yes, Sadhyan, Alvina, what you got for the first and the second one? See, whenever this type of scenario will be given, that HCF is given and still you have to find the LCM. There was a formula in the first chapter, that is LCM into HCF is equals to one number into another number. Do you know this formula? Yes or no? Do you know this formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here you
No,
need to
ma'am.
just substitute. Aisha, if you don't know, this formula exists, okay? That LCM into HCF is equals to
Okay.
one number into another number. We will always, like, it came from the real scenario only. You can take any example and it will be true, okay? So, here HCF is given as a 4. At the place of HCF, we will write 4. LCM we want to calculate. One number is 96, another number is 404, and we will be able to calculate directly LCM. So there are two ways. Like, one of the ways you can sit and you can find the LCM of 96 and 404 by doing prime factorization. By doing so, whatever answer you will be getting, that answer and this answer will be same. So we are supposed to use this formula over here. Why? Because HCF is given over here. Okay, so LCM into HCF is equals to one number into another number. LCM into HCF is 4 is equals to one of the number is 96 into another number is 404. We just need to do the simplification over here to take out the value of LCM. Okay, so 96 into 404 by 4. Okay, 4 2 times 8 19 4 4 times 16, so 24 into 404 we have to do. Then we'll be getting the LCM directly. Whatever we'll be getting from here, that will be LCM. Let's do it. Please multiply 24 with 404. Please do it now, everyone.
Ma'am, I got 9696.
Everyone got 9696. Everyone got 9696.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the LCM.
Yes,
So is
ma'am.
it clear how we'll be finding LCM?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is how we'll be finding. Now, what is the value of x, y, and z? Yes, Aisha, you have done this one. Please tell me what is x, what is y,
Yes.
what is z?
For X, I multiplied 5 into 2783 and I got 13915. And for Y, I got 11, Z 23.
Y you got 11, right?
Yes. Yes.
And z
Y
you
into
got
253 is equal to 270. And for Z, I got 23.
23. Yes, this is how we'll be finding. X we will be finding by doing the multiplication of this 5 and this 2783. Because x factorization of x is 5 into 2783. There is a number x. Okay, when we are breaking this number, we are getting 5 into 2783. So x will be just the multiplication of this two. That is 13915. Check it. Are you getting 13915? Please check, everyone.
yes, yes.
Okay. Now x we got. We have to find y also. Now y is what? Y is just the broken. Y into 253 multiplied together is nothing but 2783. Check it. 2783. When we are factorizing it, we are getting y into 253. So let's do the factorization of 2783. You will be getting y will be 11. Okay. Then you will do the factorization of 2783, or from here are you getting that y you will easily be getting by doing the division of 2783 by 253. Can you see from equation 1 that y is nothing but 2783 by 253? Everyone getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. I have just copy pasted this steps. This. Okay, 2783 is y into 253. Okay. So we are getting, let's divide 11 times. So y is nothing but 11. Yes, Aisha, perfect. Okay, next one. Now 253 is the, when we are doing the factorization of 253, we are getting 11 and z. 11 and z. When we are factorizing 253, we are getting 11 into z. So what is z? 253 by 11. That is z. Do it, you will be getting the answer. When you will divide 253 by 11, you will be getting z. Okay, either you do like this or you just focus over here and try to understand that x is nothing but just the multiplication of 5 and 2783. Okay, 2783 is the multiplication of y into 253. Okay, 253 is the multiplication of 11 and z. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's continue. Yes, Aisha, perfect. Write the number of zeros in the end of a prime factorization is 2 square, 5 cube, 3 square, 17. Please do it. How many zeros will be there? Yes. Just a just a yes. How many zeros will be there? Are you doing the multiplication? Please don't do. Are you doing the multiplication? Everyone, this is MCQ question.
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't do the multiplication. Okay, you must take less than 1 minute to solve this question. How we'll be doing it? Let me tell you. Here, 0 means we need the combination of 2 and 5. 2 and 5 just multiply together will make 110. That means 10. Okay. Here we are having 2, 2. So, the two twos we are having here. We are having 3 fives. Now, the remaining 3 and 17 is not going to give us 0. Right?
Yes.
Right? So this 2, 5 into 2 will give 1 0 and 1 5 and 1 2. This 2 underlined one will give the another 0. That's it. That's it. Only two zeros we'll be getting with the help of this two combination. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This combination, this 2 and that 5, this 2 and this 5 will make two zeros, and the remaining number is not going to give us 0. We know that 2 and 5 multiplied together can only generate a 0. Okay. So how many 0 will be there? We will not do the multiplication. Without
Yes.
even doing the multiplication, we will say that two zeros will be there. Okay. Let me give the next question. Please do it. 306 and 657. What are you getting?
Ma'am, I don't know if my answer is right, but I got 3.
3. Okay. Yes, Zunaid, Adyan, Afnan. And who else is there? Alvina, Arish, Ifra. What are you getting?
I got 6. 6 for 3.
6 or 3?
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm
Is it
getting
3 or
3.
6?
I got 6.
Okay, let's do it. Write the smallest number which is divisible. A number which is divisible by 306. And a number which is divisible by 657. Can you divide 3 by these two numbers? A number which is divisible by 657 and the remainder is 0. A number which is divisible by 306 also and the remainder is 0. Such number we are searching. That number can't be 3, right? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I
We
did not
must
get
get
this.
a we must get a bigger number. Read the question. Write the smallest number which is divisible, by both this and this. A number we are searching which is divisible by 306 and a number we are searching which is also divisible by 657. Yes or no? That's what the statement says. We don't know what to do, but that's what the statement says. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
A number which is divisible, the least number which is divisible by 306, which is also divisible by 657. That's what we are searching. Divisible means what? Divisible means this is how we do the long division method. Okay, a number is divisible. We can say, for example, if we are having 6 over here and if we are having 2 over here, we can say that 6 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 2. Yes or no? Or maybe
Yes.
16 is divisible by 2. Divisible means completely divisible. So 16 is divisible by 2. We can say that. Such number we are searching. Okay, we are searching a number over here which is divisible by 306. And also the same number must be completely divisible by the other number, that is 657 also, completely. Such number we are searching. Okay, in this box, what must be there, we are searching that. So what we will do, that is the later on part. One thing, are you able to understand that number which we are searching must be bigger than 306 and 657?
Yes.
And here we need to find the LCM rather than HCF. Getting it? Getting it? If the same question I will write this way, that what is the smallest number which can divide this 306? A number which can divide 306. Okay, a number we are searching which can divide 306 and the same number which can divide 657, then we would have thought about HCF. Okay, that 3 is a number, 3 is a bare minimum, the smallest number which can divide 306 also and 657 also. Okay, but here question says which is divisible. Itself the number is divisible by 306. Then itself the number is divisible by 657. So we will be finding the LCM over here. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will not get confused. Prime factorization method we will use and we will find the LCM. Let's do it. We will do the prime factorization of 306. 3 1 times 3 0, 3 2 times 6. 2 we can take, 5 times 10. 17, 3 times 51. So when we did the factorization of 306, we got 3 into 3, 2 is also there. 2 into 3 into 3 into 17. Okay, and 657 when we will be doing the prime factorization, what are we going to get? Please tell me. Yes, please tell me.
3 into 73.
uh, can you please repeat, Aisha? 3 into
3 into 73.
3 into 3 into 17 into 6.
No,
70.
73.
3 into 3 into 73.
73. Okay, we'll be getting this. Everyone is getting the same, I hope. Okay, now we'll be finding the LCM. LCM means first we write the common factor. Okay, that I was explaining it today's class also in other batch. That LCM means first we will be writing the common factor. This 3. Okay, another common factor. This 3. Now forget about this. We have used this pairs. Okay, now the remaining, that is 2, 17 and 73. This is the LCM. Okay, let's find it. Let's do the multiplication. So 3 times 9, 2 times 18 into 70 into 73. Okay, this is what we are having. When we will do the multiplication, that will be the smallest number. Okay, which will be completely divisible by 306 and also 657. Okay, that's how we find the LCM also. You just need to do the multiplication over here. Now let me tell you LCM means what. LCM means least common multiple. That means if you are finding the LCM of two, let me take if you are finding the LCM of 6 and 20, okay, basically what you are doing, you are listing down the multiple of 6. 6 1 times 6, 6 2 times 12, 6 3 times 18, 6 4 times 24, 6 5 times 30, 6 6 times 36. Okay, you are listing down the multiple of 6. You are listing down the multiple of 21 times 20, 22 times 40. Okay, 3 times it's 60. Okay, you are listing down the multiple and you are searching the common multiple, the least common multiple. That means the first, for the very first time, whatever common multiple will be there, you will circle it and you will say that is the LCM. Let's try finding it for this particular case. 80, 100, 120. Okay, dot dot dot, 36. Now let's see which one is the common multiple. 6 is there, 12 is there, 18 is there, 24 is there, still nothing is common. 30 is there, no common. 36, 36, no. 42, no. 48, no. 60. 60 is the first common factor. Now let's try finding LCM of 6 and 20 by our usual way. Okay, this is the concept I am teaching you. You don't have to follow this method anywhere, just the concept you have to build, that what exactly is the meaning of LCM, so that if any time you will get confused, this will guide you over there. It's 6 and 20 LCM, how we find? 2 into 3. Okay, and 20 means 5 4. So 2 into 2 into 5. LCM means first we will write the common factor, that is 2, and then all the extras we will be writing if nothing is common after that. So all the extra 3, 2, 5. Let's multiply. 3 into 2 6, 5 into 2 10. LCM is 60, right? LCM is 60, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Here also what we have listed, what we have marked, that 60 is the first common multiple. 60 is the first, and 60 is the bare minimum, the least common multiple from 6 and 20. Okay, so actually LCM this we are taking from the table only. Now if you will see this question, it will be more clear to you. Write the smallest number which is divisible by both. So the table of 306, the table of 657, and such a number which is common, least common multiple, we will be finding LCM for this particular scenario, right? A number we are searching, which is divisible by 306 also, and the same number divisible by 657 also. So of course we are talking about LCM, not the HCF. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do the next one. So be careful with the language. In the same question, I will just little bit change the language and it will become a question of HCF. Okay. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Tell me why these two are composite numbers. Yes, why these two are composite numbers? Why these two are composite numbers? Who will say?
Ma'am, I did the question.
Yes, Aisha, please tell me why these two are composite numbers.
Okay. First, in 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, I took the common as 13. And bracket, I got 7 into 11 plus 1. Then when I multiplied, I got 3 into 78. So we can say it has uh, two integers. So it has two factors. So it can be termed as a composite number.
Yes, it has more than factors are 13 and 78. So two factors at least we can see for now. However, 78 we can still factorize. So at least two factors we can see, which is not just 13 into 1. Okay, it is 13 with
Yes.
another number. Hence, it has to be a composite number. Because prime number means what? Prime numbers means such a number where you will be doing the factorization and you will be just, the only option will be 1 into 23. The number itself and 1. Okay. But here we are getting 13 into 78, two different factors we are getting. Hence, it's a composite
Ma'am,
number.
in this, do we have to show the multiplication to of like 78 into 30, or just
So
we
here
can leave
also
it
you
like
can
this?
write. Here also you can write that it is we are getting product of two numbers, which is not just
No,
uh,
do we have to? I'm asking, do we have to take out the actual product of 78 into 13, or we can just leave it like this?
we can just leave it like this. We don't have to. Okay,
Okay.
if you are doing that is not incorrect, but even if you are leaving, you will be getting full marks for it. Okay, basically you are giving